This sofa isn't Italian, it's Chinese, but it's made on the exact same machines using the exact same mechanisms, and it's 10 times cheaper. Today, I'll show you what you're actually paying for. Watch till the end. There'll be a comparison of materials. That's the most interesting part.
Now let's take a quick tour of the production floor. Just look at how clean everything is. The factory is equipped with advanced ventilation systems to maintain an exceptionally clean environment. On top of that, there's a dedicated cleaning team working throughout the day. This is where the furniture frames are manufactured, both metal and solid wood. Over there, you can see sheets of particle board, fiber board, and other materials waiting to be processed. And this is the cutting department where CNC machines cut fabric and leather with incredible precision, down to the millimeter, or even better. Next, we have the furniture assembly department, and over here on the left, this is where the polyurethane foam is prepared, the very foundation of comfort, making every piece as comfortable as possible. This factory specializes in Hydra, as well as brands like B and B Italia, Polyform, and many others. Behind me you can also see the quality control area. It's equipped with very bright lighting, making it perfect for detailed photography. This is exactly where our quality inspectors come to carry out every furniture inspection. Each production area is separated by doors like these, preventing dust and debris from spreading from one workshop to another. Now let's watch this sofa being assembled. I'll show you the process. Here they use high-quality plywood for the frame. Inside there's premium cushioning, along with a special support layer that's built into the base. The factory uses sewing equipment from the German brand Mauser. The sewing machines are exceptionally high quality. And as I've mentioned in other videos, China's upholstery craftsmen are among the best in the industry. Their skill level is every bit as high as anywhere else in the world. Fabric and leather aren't always cut by CNC machines. In some cases, they're cut by hand like this to make production more efficient, or when the design is especially complex and requires precise manual cutting. We're now in the woodworking department. It's surprisingly clean, even though sawdust is being produced here all the time. Here you can see solid wood, which forms the foundation of the furniture frames. They also use high-quality laminated plywood in the manufacturing process. And these are the finished frames, ready for the next stage, where polyurethane foam, upholstery, and the remaining components are added. Just look at all these furniture frames. Everything is built to a very high standard, using exactly the same production technology as the originals. And over here, you can see the polyurethane foam already cut to size, ready for the next stage of assembly.
Right now, they'll tell you buy Italian, it has a 10-year warranty. Sounds convincing, but let's be honest about what those 10 years actually cover. 10 years is for the frame, the metal frame inside. And that's true. B&B Italia, for instance, really does have a 10-year warranty on their frames. But here's what they don't tell you. Everything else, the fabric, the leather, the padding, the mechanisms, has a 2-year warranty, 26 months. In other words, exactly what you touch every day and what actually wears out. I didn't make this up, it's the industry standard. So what's the point of paying 5 to 10 times more? It's definitely not the warranty. You're paying for exclusive fabric and the brand name. But the frame is the same plywood, the same metal, the same machinery, and we control its quality just as well as any factory in Italy. And the parts that actually wear out, fabric, foam, mechanisms, that's not about the brand, it's about how well the factory made them. And we inspect every single piece individually before shipping, because in the end, it's not a label that gives you a warranty. The warranty comes from the one who stands behind the result. Today we'll break down the difference between furniture from famous Italian brands and premium furniture made in China. An honest review from Globus. Let's start with the myth about magical Italian machines. CNC machines are a global market. The exact same ones are used in Italy and here in Foshan. So it's a tie here, 0-0. The second difference is the polyurethane foam and memory foam. I won't claim that polyurethane foam made in Italy is exactly the same as in China. There really might be differences, but I'll just say that our factories take sofas apart, look at how they're made in Italy, and recreate that texture as closely as possible in terms of density and lifespan, identical to Italy. Because polyurethane foam in China can be of very high quality, and we've been working for over 15 years. I've personally been to our clients' homes around the world many times, visiting apartments and houses we furnished 5, 7, 10, 11 years ago, and no one has ever complained that their sofa has sagged. There's simply no such problem, and I can guarantee that to you almost 100%. And is it worth paying 5 or 10 times more for an Italian sofa because of that? Well, that's for each of us to decide. But will you actually feel the difference? I don't think so.
The hardware and mechanisms often come from the very same suppliers. That's why I simply don't see any reason to pay more for them.
Now the first difference is the fabric and leather. The Italians love using exclusive suppliers and use complex jacquards, fabrics, and leather of a specific finish. Yes, in China there are also some factories that can supply, so to speak, imported fabric and make it identical, but that's far from all factories. But if we're talking about this specific supplier, there's just a huge selection of gorgeous fabrics which are also available, including identical ones. And here's the main catch of the Chinese furniture market. Identical looking sofas from different factories last anywhere from 2 to 10 years. The gap is just huge. That's why our job isn't to find the cheapest option. Our job is to find that one factory out of 100 that makes them last 10 years. That's exactly what our company does. Quality control, blueprint checks, and defect prevention. If you're planning a project, the link is below the video. My company Globus has been supplying luxury furniture from China for over 15 years. Turnkey delivery and customs clearance worldwide. Guys, I hope you enjoyed our episode. Just a reminder, if you have a design project, you can send it to us and we'll calculate the full cost so you can see if buying from China makes sense for you. Plus, we offer 3D visualization services for just $7 per square meter. And it's based on actual furniture available in China, not just some virtual stuff. So get in touch with us and we'll help you furnish the home of your dreams.